comes to me from there, where I used to have my gay heart. Therefore I value April and May little, for she turns me to indifference, who used to honor and hold me dear. And if I lose my good songs, the beautiful words and the pleasing tunes, which I used to make for her love, I don't know what I should rejoice in. Never born nor alive did she break covenant or commandment, but because too slowly I turned back here, her beautiful body rests and lies. Therefore I fear wicked slanderers, who make lovers and ladies suffer, and cause joy to lower and fall, that they might be against me. But since I am cunning at hiding, my words should be better, it seems to me. But an excuse will always find itself. So harsh, so evil a desire, nor so burning in appearance as the one I know. Therefore I have such pain and dismay that I almost tear out my eyes when I see her, and she makes me so afraid that I dare not even speak to her in pleasure. And since my plea is not good to her, let it remain as if it had never been. For I cannot force her in anything, except in blessing and in loving. But of the rivers and of the people I have spoken 500 pleasing praises for her, who does to me the worst she can. Therefore I will say nothing but good, for I cannot do otherwise. And if I could wish her ill, so help me God to my power, I would be evil and proud to her. But I cannot be powerful in that, for with a laugh and with a glance, she makes me forget myself. Very harsh to me is the speaking, which wounds and conquers me, so that my sense flees and goes astray. Nor will I ever make a song again, for I never have right nor reason. And since I have no heart nor will for it, how can I sing or have joy when I have no beautiful response from her? Rather, when I think to speak loving words, she flees, for she does not want to listen to me. See how I ought to strive. See how I ought to strive. But an old man will hardly be rich for choice and commandments. With a true heart, make a true lover joyful when it fits. And he who takes what love draws him to, even if it is little, with better than he hopes, cannot fail that a rich reward will not come to him at his pleasure. Therefore I praise the honors and the gifts, and the neck and the hands which made me kiss her who knows how to restore losses. Lady Vienna, it is very hard for me that I cannot gaze at you often.